might go in the video. Be careful. Good morning. I'm in Costa Rica right now. I'm with my buddy Mike, who I've known since high school, and we're on a motorcycle trip. We rented motorcycles yesterday, and I just needed to catch you guys up because you have no idea where I am. So here we are. This is our Airbnb we stayed here for one night, and then we're hitting the road today, and I think we're driving like 2.5 hours today. So it'll be a lot of bike time. This is our first full day, so he left like 5 minutes ago to walk down to the beach, go swim, and I am late to do that also, so I'm gonna go now, but just catching you guys up. Okay, wait, before I go, I gotta show you the bikes because they're really cute. Those are our bikes. I gotta get sunscreen. Hola, estoy buscando bloqueador del sol.
Sí. 10,375.
Gracias. Holy shit, that was expensive. I'm gonna look somewhere else. It was $21. Okay, I have to document this because Michael just beat me at chess for the first time? Without losing a single piece. I did it myself. I put this guy here and just like blocked my king in. But congrats, that was... Almost time to go. Strapping up our backpacks on a bike. Oh, it's magic.
You're just a fucking walking jukebox, aren't you?
You know.
Take a...
We can just go.
Take a left.
We're off. What do you have to say? You're gonna do that every single time?
Every single time. I don't know what else to do.
All right, we're headed on our 2-hour ride. We're ready to go. I gotta strap you in somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
I'd like to take a moment to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Therapy has always been a go-to for me over the years, whether it's working through sadness or anxiety, or even if I've been feeling really good about life. It's always felt healthy to keep in touch with someone about my mental health, through both the good and the bad. I've really liked that it's online-based. As you probably know by now, I have a tendency to be in remote places, which makes physically seeing a therapist pretty hard. Getting started with BetterHelp was really easy. They assessed my needs with a short personal survey and matched me with my own licensed professional therapist. One of my favorite features is how easy it is to switch who you're matched with if needed. Therapy is really personal, and matching up with the right person can be kind of tricky. So when my first match didn't feel quite right, I really appreciated how easy it was to request someone different. Now I can log into my account and message with her anytime I need to schedule an appointment, or if I just need a quick check-in. It's more affordable than traditional offline counseling, and financial aid is available. If this sounds like a good option for you, visit betterhelp.com/HannahLee. That's better, HELP.com/HannahLee to get 10% off your first month.
Hell yeah! Ah! Oh, I don't always swimsuit on, man. Oh my god! God, it's beautiful. I wish I had like a storyline for you guys, but I don't. We're just driving to Nosara and stopping every other half hour, 45 minutes, and we're just taking a swim and hanging out because we have literally no itinerary and we get to just do whatever we want. So Mike's just a little bobbing head in the water. Okay, Mike and I we're in Nosara. We're at a hostel, which is very nice. And I'm breathing hard because I'm supposed to meet him down at the bike, like right now. And I'm trying not to impede on his trip by filming. So I'm just like trying to get these little moments in between things. But he's gonna go surf, just a beach day. And yeah, I'm just gonna get on the bike and we're gonna go into town, and that's it. That's all I have to say. This has been a really cute Airbnb or hostel. Met some good people last night, had some drinks, played some cards, swam in the pool. All good things, but meeting some of the people we met last night at the beach tonight, I think for sunset, so that will be nice. And I gotta go. We just stopped and got the board, and we're just gonna walk to the beach. Look at how cool he looks. Beauty and grace. Hot girls. Oh my god. Okay, Mike and I have befriended people, and we came to the beach for sunset. Got some beers, looking at tide pools. I love how you say, I'm gonna get better at it.
I'm working on it.
Yeah, what do you have to say? What are you working on, Mike?
My camera skills.
You're running away from them as we speak. Welcome to Hannah's Seaside Spa.
Feel quite relaxed.
People are gonna think you hate me. I swear he doesn't hate me. And I swear he talks all the time. He's just really scared. Look at this one. Got a hole in it.
Oh, that's nice.
Hi, bud. Roger? Does that seem right?
Come on out.
Oh, hello. Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. It's simply bloody beautiful. Quite.
It's like your own nature show. That over there is the sun.
Oh,
And at this moment, it's going down.
isn't it?
Yeah, give it a little jig.
You got this. What? That was a beautiful handstand.
I see you pass me by, and you don't walk alone. Yeah, yeah.
Surprise, the camera's on. I'm just kidding, okay. We're headed out. We've been at this hostel for 2 nights, and it's been really nice, but now we've got a 2.5 hour ride. We're going one night at Playa, Coyote. I've been there before, and it's like super empty, and then that'll be nice, but that's just one night, and then the next day, it's kind of like the halfway point, and then we're going to Santa Teresa the next day, and some of the people from this hostel are gonna be there, so maybe we'll meet up with them again. I'm mostly just putting off leaving because I don't want to go up the hill to get out of here because I'm really worried that I'm going to stall the bike again, but I think I can do it. Off we go. And then all my gear again. What'd you say?
What?
You're sweating. You really want to complain right now?
You got this hill, or you want me to ride it?
I'm gonna try. But you have to wait for me in case I die.
Break your foot down if you start to stall out.
Scared. Scared.
you want me to ride it?
I want to do it, but I want my pants off.
They'll dry.
The girl in her bikini. Now I gotta pull my pants back. I'm so glad I'm not on this bike. This is heavy as hell. Safety gear. Ugh. I wish I didn't care. You have like the most majestic butterflies just flowing around you right now. Absolutely ridiculous. What is happening? Wow. Have you seen the view?
This is the most fun I've ever had.
This is the most fun you've ever had?
Yeah.
I feel so special. Those roads are nuts. If I couldn't get up a hill before, I can now. I mean, Jesus. Look at that. Mike, you know how to pick an Airbnb. Wow. I am so unbelievably dusty. Look at this. We both showered, Mike's grabbing some stuff, and we're headed into town. We're just gonna pick up a bottle of wine and some food we can cook so that we can watch the sunset from up here, because it is absolutely nuts.
You alright?
Already.
You alright?
I knew it was gonna happen. I was like halfway, I was like, fuck, I didn't shift down. Hi. Update. About 20 feet out of the friggin' Airbnb road, I hit loose gravel, tipped the bike, and it landed on my foot weird. So now I have my foot elevated, and I cannot tell how bad it is. It definitely is swollen, like the top of it. I really don't want it to be broken. Really don't want it to be broken. Mike went to town, so he's getting wine and food and some just anti-inflammatory pain meds and hopefully ice and you know when it just sucks, like you're like, oh fuck, please, I really hope this is not as bad as I think it is. Anyway, I have no idea what's gonna happen. I mean, it's all gonna depend on tomorrow, how this foot goes, because we're supposed to leave this Airbnb tomorrow, but we might have to adjust the plan for a day. So, yup. I guess I'll keep you updated. At least I'm not alone. Got a little gecko friend? Who are you? Look at you. Also, my view could be worse. Wow, like, come on. The adventure continues. This is from the other week. Don't worry about it. I dreamt about my foot all night. But I think it's gotten better enough to the point where I can walk a little bit on it, and I think I can get on a bike. So I'm gonna try and get the bike at least to the closest town and see how it's going. And I think, honestly, I think I'm gonna be okay. feel like I should keep my foot elevated. Getting ready to get back on the bike. And I'm jittery, but I'm standing on the foot, so if I can do that, I can deal with the bike. Everything's gonna be fine. I'm just nervous to get back past the spot that I tipped. You gotta get back on the horse, you know? I can do this. I can do this. Hardest part is gonna be getting my shoe on. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Okay. She's on the bike, guys. I can tell that I feel nervous. Okay, I'm gonna go so fucking slow down this first part for sure. Not a fan of these roads right now. Oh. This is bullshit. That is not fun. Holy shit, it's hot. I have to say I'm very proud of myself for this trip. For someone who's never been on a hill before, I'm getting good at them. Okay, Mike left to go to the beach and he's walking down there, and I figure I have had a big day with my foot, so I'm letting my foot rest, and I ordered some food to come up here, and I'm watching 13 Lives about the Thai soccer team that gets stuck in the cave. Whew, heavy movie, but it is kind of like a dark day outside, so it's kind of a good day to get stuck inside and just kind of let my foot take a rest, especially after the journey I had this morning. So all in all, like, the foot thing was not so bad on the bike. It's mostly walking that's hard, but I think it's gonna heal up pretty good over the next couple days and I'll be good as new, so that is good. I was really worried that I was gonna have to end the trip because I thought maybe it was broken, but it just hurt really bad initially, so that's always good. Anyway, really glad I'm still here and going, so I think we're gonna go get dinner out somewhere tonight and maybe go to a bar, meet some new friends. There were a couple British girls we met in Nosara who are here now, so maybe we'll meet up with them or something, but yeah, I don't know, just taking a chill day. My foot is not as swollen as it was, so that's definitely good. At least the view is nice. Okay, finally put a bandage on there to hold it in place because walking hurts more than I thought it would. It's eating Mike backgammon. And he's loving it.
See the sweat.
Just a boy with his vibe going. How's the vibe, Mike?
Life's good.
Okay, bummer. I came to this beach with a girl that I met at the hostel in the last town we were in. She also ended up in Santa Teresa at the same time as us. And we saw them last night and she was like, oh, I'm going horseback riding tomorrow. And so I was like, oh, maybe I can hop on it. And I never got a response from the people last night. So I just came with her just to see, just in case. And they couldn't get me on the tour. So now I'm just laying on a beach. Life could be worse. Okay, a guy just walked up to me and asked if I was the one who wanted to go riding. I think he's gonna bring me a horse. I might get on a horse, that's fun. There he goes. Here we go. Excited. It's so fun. They made it work. Oh my god. Wow. We came trotting over. We've been running to catch up with you. Don't worry, the horses can. I'm so glad I made it. This is so lovely. We went careening to catch up with them. Cheers. Oh my God. Pepe y Osito. Pepe. Osito. Hi. We're switching horses because Rambo, my horse, gets a little more jittery at water, and I'm the least experienced rider here. Through the jungle, look at you. Look at you. Cut it out. This is amazing. I'm having the time of my life. This is so beautiful. I'm with my little slowpoke pony, Conejo. Look at her go! Oh, it's so beautiful. Woohoo! Come on, Conejo, don't be lazy! Woohoo! Oh, good boy, Conejo. That is a cowboy right there. Mike just said, look, this is me if I had no air in my lungs. And then he... He's literally so camera shy that he is trying to drown. Come here, do your seal trick. No. But now you're embarrassed. It's like, I'm a man. Look at me open my beer. Oh my god, I took a nap. And now the sun is setting and I gotta go meet the Brits. And I'm hobbling as fast as I can down this stupid hill. And I'm racing the sun. So here's hoping I can make it. Well, it's our last day here. Tonight's our last night. We're driving the furthest today. I think we have like a 5-hour drive. It's like 4 hours and 50 minutes, but we take a ferry. So part of that is ferry ride. This Airbnb's kind of been hard because it's on this huge hill and walking has just been really difficult. So he's gonna help me get the bike down the hill because I don't want to tip on this last little leg before we have this big journey. And then I'm just gonna hang out and wait for him to be done surfing. So that's what's going on. It's been a slow morning. This is really cute little Airbnb regardless of the hill. Where are you, Mike? You're so cute. Hi. My hero. The ferry. Got our bikes parked. It's windy, sorry if you can't hear me, but wow, my butt hurts so bad. I think we have like an hour and a half until we leave, so we're gonna try to get something to cool down. We don't know where we are right now. Mike's figuring it out, but meanwhile, I'm gonna show you the view because it's really nice. We're just on this dirt road. Look at that. I'm so glad it's not as hot here. Feels good, the wind. My butt is drenched in sweat. We're leaving our last Airbnb. We're headed to get breakfast. I think we're gonna stop at a waterfall on the way. And we're both tired because we didn't have any coffee this morning. Breakfast for you. The last leg of the trip. They're gonna miss us, I think. Oh, I'm so excited to get in a waterfall. That was it. We dropped off our bikes. We're going to the airport. Bye. Mike didn't think I should end my video yet. He wanted.
I thought we needed more of a conclusion to it.
I just want to tell you that he asked for this. I was gonna let him leave in peace. He thought I didn't conclude the video. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. Great trip.
Happy Costa Rica.